They don't know what they're doing.
Guys, so it's Saturday. I got my most valuable employee back there weeding, so don't mind the noise. Just trying to do some catch up out here on the property, trying to do some cleanup, weed eating, organizing my scrap wood pile. I think I'm gonna throw some boards up, so I'll set up a time lapse, but just trying to catch up from the week because I missed some work this week. So, but we'll get it done today, and yeah, all right. All right, we're out here. We're gonna cut those boards off and continue girts down this side. I took off the last couple of days. I just wasn't feeling it. I would say we're gonna make it up today, but I'm still not feeling it. So we're just gonna get done what we get done, and that's gonna be how it is. All right, so I'll put you guys on a time lapse and watch me work. I'm gonna wrap it up today. I got 2 boards up there. I got some stuff I need to go do. I just really wanted to get some boards on today, so I'll see you tomorrow. Sorry, my bad. So this depth right here is 1.5 inches. That's a standard construction. This is so we can put another board to this and it cuts. So you don't have to measure nothing. You just have to set your saw against this. Push it back. Don't set it out there. Don't set it up there, the blade against it.
Well, because it went
it's
like
twisted and the depth isn't.
I threw half of it.
they don't know what they're doing.
What, Ashley?
What?
It may cause serious side effects like fatal infection, slow heart
All right, next one. That's gonna be kind of hard because you're gonna have to like kneel down. Don't kill yourself.
Okay. Well, scaffolding's a little close. Is that better? Yep.
Shopping, dining, and more. Not just roadside assistance.
Almost had it, Alex.
Oh, we were almost there. Let's see what's happening.
doing it. No! Don't play with your foot. I could have edited that out, Alex. I could have fixed that.
Now you can't.
Oh, character.
You're gonna need that book there.
I'm gonna throw at you. I'm not gonna hit you, okay? Just video. Let me throw it at you, okay? It's not gonna hit you. Got it?
It hit me.
It's called a trust fall. That's a trust throw. You failed.
Scaffolding, right?
Yeah. Good job, Ashley. Good job. Good job, Ashley. Good job. I'm so proud of you.